Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to do a walk around on this 1969 Camaro. After the walk around, we're going to take it down the road, see how she runs and drives. If you're new to the channel, I do videos like this all the time, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button and check out my website, maplemotors.com. Go ahead and pop the hood on this one. Start up here in the front. Pop this hood, you just pull that on over. I'm gonna have to flip the camera on you. I try not to do that in my videos, but today's that day, you know. 350 under the hood. Did have a small gas leak and we had that fixed. That way we can do a full-on test drive, go all the way around the block, check everything out really well. Starting up here in the front, you can see it's got minor chips and scratches. It's not perfect on this car. Same with this area right here. It's got some bubbles, some chips. Nice set of wheels and tires. US mags. Drum brakes all the way around. Tires are in great shape. Not bad looking down the side of the car. A few little bubbles in the door there. Wide tires in the back. Trim looks good around the window. Got a few bubbles popping up. Hood's in good shape. You can see where they sprayed over the trim there. Little scratch in the paint. Same with back here. Went ahead and put my tag on it because we're going to go for a test drive after this. It's got some scratches on the bumpers. The rear bumper's not perfect. They're running racing gas in this one. Should be a pretty stout car. I'm excited for the test drive. There's a chip in the paint right here. Definitely digging the green, I like it. Spot right there in the paint and here. Same little bubbles on this side as the driver's side. There's a chip in the windshield. Actually, two. I'm gonna grab the keys and pop the trunk. Trunk in this one does have a mat. Little surface rust back here. You got some boxes hanging back here for the speakers in it. Weather stripping does not look bad. All right. Hopefully I didn't make y'all dizzy spinning you around in the trunk there. Checking the interior out real quick. Package tray looks good. Headliner's in good shape. Go ahead, place your bets if you think the horns work. You've probably seen the other video, but can you remember? The dash looks pretty good. Got a B&M shifter in the floor. RPM, tach on the dash. Some people give me problems with calling it RPM gauge. It is though, you know that, right? Yeah. This one's already been warmed up. See if the radio works. It does work. Blower motor. I don't think that works at all. I can't get nothing to go on. Wipers, they do work. They're coming apart, but they work. Need to be replaced. Horn, no horn on this one. Gas gauge, yes. Mileage, 140,000 is what it's saying. The carpet in this thing is definitely old. It's missing some kick panels up here in the front. Very built. Sound like it's got a set of roller rockers. Hood's coming down nice and easy. Sweet ride. Gonna look up under the front here. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. You can see close to 100 detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. Let's look up under the front. This video, hit that subscribe button. We're getting ready to go for a test drive, so definitely check out that video as well. Also, like I said at the beginning, maplemotors.com can get you financed, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, hopefully everything you need to know about this car. We also post all of our inventory on there every week, so you can see us update every Monday. Lots of new cars on the lot. Gonna be taking a video here soon of this Nova and the little Mustang. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.